In order to change your bank account on Apple Pay, open up the wallet app right over here, then go ahead and scroll down, and then you should be able to see Apple Cash and also any other debit cards that you do have added. Now, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on the card that you would like to remove, and basically the card is going to give you access to your bank account, obviously. So if you remove our card, we're essentially able to remove our bank account. So what you can do is you can first remove the card and then add a new one. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on these three dots, select on card details, scroll down a little bit more, and then select on remove card right over here. And then if you want to add a new card, go ahead and press on the plus button right over here and then determine whether it's a debit or a credit card, a transit card, etc. And then you just want to go ahead and enter it in here, or you could go ahead and enter it in manually as well. But if you want to change your bank account for Apple Cash transfers, then what you want to do is you want to select on settings, then you want to tap on wallet and pay, then select on a cash account right over here. Then you want to select on Apple Cash. Then once you're here in Apple Cash, you want to scroll down. Then you want to select on bank account. And then from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and remove an old bank and then add a new one if you do need to. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.